In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enter referral code on Wise. This process is helpful if you are using Wise and want to make sure you receive any welcome gift or incentive linked to a referral. I will guide you through each step in the order you should follow, and I will also point out what to look for as you go. First, open Wise. You can do this on your computer or in your mobile browser, depending on what you are using. When Wise opens, take a moment to confirm you are logged in or that you can see the main Wise interface. The key idea here is to start from the correct homepage so the referral path loads correctly. Next, click Earn. On the Wise site, Earn is usually a section related to incentives and referrals. When you select Earn, you should see options connected to rewards. This step matters because it is the place where Wise provides the invitation details that can be used to apply a referral. Then, copy the invite link. Look for a button or a link that lets you share or copy your invitation. Once you copy it, the link will be saved to your clipboard. If you are unsure whether it copied correctly, you can glance at where Wise shows the link or confirm that it is copied. But the main goal is to have that exact invite link ready for the next step. Now, open the copied link in a new browser tab. This is a simple but important detail. By opening it in a new tab, you keep your Wise page organized, and you avoid losing your place. When the new tab loads, you should see a referral landing page tied to the invite you copied. Take a second to make sure you are on the correct page, since that is what will connect your sign-up to the referral. After the referral page loads, add your email address. Enter the email address where you want Wise to send the confirmation and any related messages. Make sure you type it carefully and double-check for any typos before you continue. This helps ensure your account is created successfully and that the referral benefits, if available, can properly associate with your sign-up. Next, click Get Your Gift. This button is part of the referral flow and indicates you are continuing with the promotion. When you click it, Wise will typically confirm the next stage of the sign-up or acceptance process. Stay on the page long enough for it to respond, and watch for any prompts that appear after you select Get Your Gift. At this point, the referral entry process should be underway, and the page should proceed with whatever information Wise requires to finish setting up the account or claiming the incentive. If you see additional fields, only enter what the page asks for and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. The goal is to ensure that your email submission and the referral link remain connected from start to finish. Once you complete the steps on the referral page, you can return to your Wise account to confirm everything is set. If Wise provides any confirmation, you may see it in the interface or through an email message. Keep an eye out for that confirmation so you know the referral process was successfully recognized. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.